I am very happy to share that I have recently been selected to work with INFOSYS as a client company on the payroll of iSource Infosystem Pvt Ltd with a package of 2.72 LPA. This is a proud and meaningful step forward in my career, especially considering my journey from a non-technical background into IT field. I would sincerely like to thank Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd for playing a key role in this transformation and for consistently guiding me through this journey. Initially, stepping into IT domain was challenging as I did not come from a purely technical background. But through the structured support and learning environment provided by Evision, I was able to build strong fundamental in networking, operating system, hardware, and service management. They provide hands-on training, real-time exposure, and professional grooming, which helps me shift smoothly into the technical support domain. Evision not only gave me the opportunity to start my career in IT support, but also support me through proper mentorship, resume building, and upskilling session. Their structured training in IT fundamentals, network concepts, and professional ethics help me perform better in interview and on the job. I am truly grateful for the platform Evision provided, which helps me transition from a fresher to a confident professional ready to work in reputed organization like Infosys. I see this as just the beginning, and I am committed to continue to learn and grow further in this field. I would like to specially thank Dipti ma'am because of her guidance. I joined Evision. She explained everything clearly and helped me take the right decision for my career. I also want to thank all the trainer at Evision who trained us so well and gave us the knowledge and confidence to perform in interview and in the job. A big thank you to Ganesh sir and Priya ma'am for their constant support, motivation, and proper guidance. Whenever I had doubt or need help, they were always there to support me. Once again, thank you Vision Technosoft for believing in my potential, guiding me to this point.